This is KTVO's Good Morning Heartland.
And welcome back. Do you need health insurance coverage but don't know where to start? Well, One Community Center wants to help you out. This morning we have Jane Spencer and Carol Kleensmith here this morning to tell us more about the grant the Walsworth Community Center just received to make the process of helping you out a little easier. Good morning, ladies. How are you doing?
Good morning.
So the two of you are registered nurses, but kind of tell us a little bit more about what you do and then this grant itself and how you're helping everyone out.
Okay. Well, just a little background. I met Jane 40-some years ago when I moved to Marceline, and we both pursued nursing careers. Jane moved away, and so our paths went different ways. But every time we got together, one of the big things that we were passionate about was so many people did not have a primary care doctor or did not have health coverage so that they could do the preventative things to keep them healthy. So we kind of joked that someday we'd get together and we'd do something about it. So this summer when Jane had the grant or did the grant and they needed a project director, I was more than happy to join with her so we could maybe do the things that we're passionate about.
Okay.
So this grant comes from the Missouri Health Foundation, and it's called, I have to always kind of look, Grassroots Outreach for Maximizing Enrollment. And what it allows us to do is to do some health prevention, some workshops. So we've had a couple. We did just one on losing weight without dieting. We have one next Monday that's coming up that's food as medicine. So these are being held in Marceline, but we're more than happy to take them out to any of the 4 counties. The Missouri Health Foundation grant. We also are partnering with Randolph County Caring Communities, the Marceline Family Health Center in Cover, Missouri. So our counties are Lynn, Sheraton, Sullivan, and Macon. So we're happy to take any of our programs out to any of those counties.
Perfect.
And our goal is to get people, to find those people who aren't insured and get them to Jane.
Okay, and so Jane, tell us what you will help these people that don't have insurance do.
And I work for the Marceline Family Health Center as a certified application counselor, and my role is to help people to understand the market, the health insurance marketplace, and to help them decide what policy would be best for them. And I've helped quite a few. I've done this for 3 years now, and so one of the people that I'm most proud of is somebody that I was helping that wanted to retire from her job, but she couldn't because
Health insurance.
of health insurance. People need health insurance. So I helped her get a plan that really worked for her, but because she was a smoker, it cost about $100 more than it would when she was not if she was not a smoker. So we went ahead and got it. She was able to retire, and then the next year she came back and she said, "Oh, I'm not smoking now." So we were able to get her continue coverage, but it was $100 cheaper. She was not, she did not have to buy the cigarettes. That saved some money.
Yeah.
And she went into her retirement much healthier with hopefully a long life ahead of her.
Perfect. And I know that when it comes to picking the right insurance, I mean, it can get pretty confusing.
It
So
is.
you're there to kind of walk them and guide them to
Yes.
make sure that they're not getting a plan that they can't afford,
Right.
but they think they need that plan, or a plan that they think they need, but they might need more coverage,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
that's great.
Yes.
And then tell us more about the grant, the importance of it. So, you said this is a passion for you. What type of community outpour have you gotten? What kind of response have you gotten from the community?
We've actually gotten a good
Yes.
response.
Okay.
They're very open to learning about health. I think everybody's interested in that today,
Yes.
and there's so much misinformation out there. So
And the nice thing that you mentioned earlier is that you guys are based out of Marceline, but you do cover 4 areas,
Yes.
and that you're willing to take that, source
Right.
to them and to help them and provide the coverage and understanding and benefits that they need.
right.
So.
And they can contact Janie or I,
Okay.
either one. We can leave you our contact
Sure.
information. So
Is there anything else you'd like to
Yes,
add?
I was just going to say that the reason we got the grant is because we are such a large rural area, and those are the people that really, they're farmers and have their own small businesses, and so they've never had insurance. So they need somebody that can help them to understand a deductible, a maximum out of pocket, in network, out of network, and what your premium is going to be
Yeah.
too. So
All that lingo that a lot of us do not understand.
Absolutely.
So perfect, ladies. Thank you so much for coming on. So what we'll do is we'll post everything on our website at ktvo.com, and we'll link up information with Jane as well, because I know that you gave us your email
Yes.
address and all that stuff. And we'll also provide the 4 counties, in case you missed it, that they do provide services for. Again, ladies, thank you so much for coming on,
Thank
Thank
you for
you.
having us.
Thank you.
and we'll be right back.